Hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you guys how to create paper transition inside of Filmora 12. It's super easy and it's literally going to take you a few seconds of work to do. So the first thing you need to do is head over to this website called VidEasy. You can also use sites like Canva to search for this type of transition. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this website. So head over to this website and under this category, choose video and type in paper balls. When you type that, just click enter, and so you can bring up whatever video files. And one of the things about the site, it does bring out free video files which you can use for your project for free, and you can just search whatever paper transition you like. So the one I'm going to be going with is this one. I'm just going to click on it, and you just have to click on the free download button. I already downloaded it, so I'm going to head over to my video editing app and show you guys how to use it. So just open up a new project on your video editor app in Filmora, and first of all, the first thing you need to do is upload your video file to the timeline. So I'm just going to upload one of my videos. I'm going to go to download, and I'm going to click this file, and I'm going to put it on the first tab. Then the next thing I'm going to do is upload the video, the paper transition which we just downloaded, like this one. I'm just going to click on it and open up. So this is the file, and like you can see right here, we have a vertical video file. And if you want to use a horizontal video file, which is the 16:9, you do that, but this is a 9:16. So I'm just going to click this out and just drag it to the timeline. So I'm just going to make it exactly the way it is. So right now you're going to see that there is already another overlay on the paper transition. So what we just got to do is go double click on it and go to AI tools and click on chroma key, and you can see right now my paper transition background has been removed. You can also do some bit of editing by removing by adding some feather and increasing the tolerance. Oh sorry, not increasing. I'm just gonna leave that as is, and maybe we just had to add, okay, just increase the edge thickness, just remove a bit of the green, and when you're done with that, you can click on OK. But right now you can see we still have a bit like it's covering the entire screen. That's not what we want. So just click on your video file and go to basic, and right now just click on scale, and I'm just gonna turn this around first of all, and you just drag the scale a bit down. Now when it fits the screen, just leave it like that and click on OK, and when you preview your video, it's gonna look like this. So pretty much that's how you create paper transition in Filmora 12 for absolutely free. So you can also add stuff like sound effect, just to like the paper sound effect, just to give it a vibe. If you want, you can go to audio and sound effect, just find paper, and you get some paper sound effect that you can actually add underneath your video track. And pretty much that's how you do the paper transition in Filmora 12. I hope you guys found this tutorial really helpful. If you found it really helpful, please just smash the like button and leave your comment down in the comment section, and so we can interact. And that's all for today's video, and see you guys on the next one.